Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram story ad on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboards option, and at the Instagram section you can find the Instagram story ad. And you can add upload photo or photo for your gallery, and you can select different graphic design and elements on the elements section, for example stickers, graphics, photos, videos, and more available elements. And in the design section you can find the templates and styles, and just select one, and you can edit the style of the template, the animation, combination animation, basic animation, or exaggerate animation, and you can change the pictures and edit the size of the picture, and you can edit the text. Just step on it and just write your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.